So apparently, the goggles have to be at a certain percentage in order to do the tutorial. So I guess we're not doing the tutorial. We're just gonna try and see what happens. Probably the orange button, huh? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Press and hold the lock button. What's the lock button? Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. All right.
I'm listening.
All right. I mean, this literally is just point and pull the trigger. That's basically it. Let's see if we could turn off the beginner mode. Okay, it goes faster. Oh!
Don't face me.
So I've been flying for several minutes now using the motion controller, and I've taken it off of beginner mode. Let me tell you, even with this, there's a big difference between this and the simulator. I almost brought my FPV controller to try that, but I'm glad I didn't, because this the perspective is just way different when you're looking at a small screen versus looking at like a big old 32-inch screen. You could turn on easy ACRO, and you could control different things. So if I go like this and then just hit a button and keep the joystick down, it'll keep going that direction for me. And then there's different things that you could do. Do different. Oh, altitude is too low. That's okay. So you could do like some super basic. There's power lines. You could do like some super basic controls that way. There's also a power loop where you could do this big old loop, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared to do that in such a small area, but very cool to be able to experience it. I did the power loop once and it scared me. Here, we could probably do it right here. Let's do it. Or we'll do it right here. Nope, not right there. I lied. We'll do it right over here. We're going, we're going, we're going.
I found the flower.
Hit the power loop. Oh man, that's disorienting. That is disorienting. But I could see the value of using I could definitely see the value of using the motion controller. Definitely kind of gets you in the feel for it. So you can see kind of what it's like. And gives you an idea of the perspective and the field of view in goggles. So cool stuff. Cool stuff. I like it. I'm excited to get out in the open area. My daughter keeps yelling at me. I'm excited to get into an open area where we could let it rip a little bit more. Hit a little branch. Yeah, so we could let it rip a little bit more. And then eventually get into the full-on FPV. Well, there we go. Pretty good, I would say, for maiden voyage. No complaints. These goggles hurt my face, though. Mostly my nose. I need to figure out what to do with that. And I also don't know how to land.